Now guys, acne can actually happen because of a whole lot of reasons. And honestly, if your acne breakout is very severe, the best idea is to go and see a dermatologist. However, in today's video, I'll be sharing with you some tips. For instance, what kind of makeup to use, what kind of things to not use. Just some basic ideas that will help you in dealing with your acne problems better. So if you want to know all about it, well, just keep watching this video to find out. Ideally, when you have acne problems, it's best to avoid wearing makeup altogether. If you are going to wear makeup, especially foundations and concealer, please look for makeup which is non-comedogenic and also mineral based. Avoid foundations which have isopropyl alcohol, sodium lauryl sulfate and isopropyl myristate. Synthetic based fragrances are also a big no-no. While selecting sunscreens, look for sunscreens which contain zinc. Not only will they protect your skin really well, but zinc also has anti-irritating properties which is actually soothing for your acne problems. On that note guys, please do wear sunscreens. Sunscreens protect your skin on so many levels, and it also is very important when you have already got a bad case of acne breakouts. Now, when we're talking about acne, we usually don't mention hair care, right? Because hair, acne, how are they related? Well, actually, they can be related sometimes, especially when you have forehead acne. So, for instance, if you have dandruff problems or scalp infections, dandruff problems, dry, sticky dandruff, malassezia, things like that can actually lead to forehead acne, especially quite often. A lot of people have greasy hair, or if you have recently switched to a new shampoo or a new conditioner, you might want to be extra careful. If you have dandruff problems or scalp infections, try to use the right kind of oils. Overall, the idea is to maintain a good hair hygiene, a good head hygiene as well if you have acne problems, because that can impact things tremendously. And obviously guys, since we're talking about acne prone skin, how can we not talk about cleaning your skin properly? I think that is the most important thing of all, the most important step for any skincare routine, especially when you have acne problems. So guys, please wash your face twice a day, not more than that, but twice a day, morning and night. Always remove your makeup on time, and please start using salicylic acid in your skincare routine, guys. I cannot stress this enough. Now, you can use salicylic acid in various ways. There are face washes, serums, moisturizers, and so many things. I'll just tell you some of the best ways to include salicylic acid, and it's extremely important when you have acne problems. So here's a really good face wash I recently came across. It contains salicylic acid and also tea tree. So this is a Mamaearth tea tree foaming face wash, and apart from tea tree by the way has amazing antibacterial properties. It also helps to reduce excess oil from your skin. So when you're using this face wash, it actually has a soft silicone brush which makes the application extremely clean, extremely easy. And yes, you just have to wash your face twice a day. It very gently cleans your skin. It's also, by the way, a dermatologically tested paraben and SLS free formula. And after you're done cleaning your skin, guys, here's what you need to understand. After you're done using your face wash, your face is now clean, right? But after this, you're going to start applying your serums and moisturizers and things like that. What about keeping your skin clean then? It's very important to add one more thing to your routine which contains salicylic acid to keep your skin extra clean throughout the day. Very important if you have clogged pores. Let me explain this to you guys because this is so important. If your pores are clogged, your skin will not be able to get rid of acne no matter what happens. Also, acne has a tendency to spread by causing more infection throughout the skin. So you may have just one pimple or one acne here, but if you don't take care of it, it can actually infect the area around your skin and just multiply. So keep your skin clean throughout the day. How do you do that? You don't wash your face for multiple times a day, but you use a product, a serum especially. So this is a serum from the same range. I'm just showing this to you. You can use any serum that you want, guys, but this serum, I have found this to be really useful, okay? So this is a tea tree face serum, again from Mamaearth, the same range. It also contains salicylic acid. So like I just told you, tea tree has amazing properties. Salicylic acid, again, it's very useful. It just goes into the deeper layers of your skin and just maintains your skin throughout the day. So please take care of this, guys. Keep your skin clean throughout, and immediately after applying your serum, make sure to apply a gentle moisturizer to keep the serum locked in. So here's a quick before after look of how my skin was looking before I washed my face and after washing my face. The skin literally looks squeaky clean and so fresh. So this is something which you need to do twice a day to keep your skin clean and your pores unclogged. Start doing this, you will definitely see a huge difference. And now that we have cleaned our skin, we also need to make sure that the skin is not constantly touching something which is dirty, because that will not help your case. So if you wear an eye mask at night, keep that clean, your pillowcase clean, your phone screen cleaned, your hairbands cleaned. If you're using a face oil, or like I just showed you, when you're using your serum, don't touch it directly onto your skin. This is a mistake which even I used to make. Instead, just take your serum or your formula at the back of your hand and then apply it using your clean fingertips. Maintaining things around yourself, keeping everything around you clean, maintaining good hygiene is so important, guys, because like I just said, the infection can spread very fast. So you need to make sure that it remains clean throughout. And last but not the least, let's talk about soothing that irritated skin, because believe it or not, acne is something that your skin doesn't like either. So one of the things that you can start doing is to start patting ice cubes every once in a while when you have acne problems. So when you're using an ice cube, guys, make sure that you don't use ice cube directly on your skin, because that could be a bit too much. Instead, wrap it up in a soft cotton cloth. Do not use harsh towels. In fact, do not use harsh towels on your face at all. Use soft cotton cloth to dab an ice cube, or whenever you want to wash your face and wipe your face, use soft cotton cloth for that as well. Another great way of soothing your irritated skin and also dealing with acne is to mix a little bit of multani mitti with sandalwood powder, mix it with some rose water or plain water, and apply it as a face mask. However, keep in mind this face mask can be extremely drying on the skin. So if you have oily skin, this might work for you. If you want, you can also add a few drops of milk to make sure that it does not dry out your skin that much. People with dry skin need not use this mask, because it will dry out your skin too much. And always do a patch test, because obviously, guys, patch test is always so important. So guys, those were all the tips that I wanted to share with you all today. Hope you found them useful. And yes, guys, the Mamaearth products that I was talking about today, they have been sent to me by the brand, but I do love this brand genuinely so much, guys. They are doing so many things for the environment, and as an influencer, it's just something that I really want to support. It's not just about goodness on the outside, it's also about goodness inside. So first of all, it's a PETA certified cruelty-free brand. They have been awarded a certification by PETA. They're not harming any animals. They are making their product with so much of love. I think that is so good. It's also a made in India brand, which I think is such an important thing. It's a plastic positive brand, which means that they recycle more plastic than they use. Also, I will share the link in the description box below. You can actually get their products on various e-commerce websites. But if you buy directly from the Mamaearth website, first of all, there's this 20% off code, which you can use to get flat 20% off on all your orders across the Mamaearth website. Also, when you buy directly from Mamaearth, the website itself, they will also plant a tree for your order. So they will literally link your order to a tree that they plant on your behalf. They will send you an email like this, where you can track the geolocation, look at the image of the tree. You can see that this is the tree which has been planted for the order that you have placed. So just imagine you're literally just buying a beauty product for yourself, but you are also contributing so much to the environment, because that one tree is going to be there for years and years, maybe even decades, and it's going to do so much of good to the environment, right? We need to plant more trees in this world with all the global warming issues. So Mamaearth actually has taken up this plant goodness initiative along with their goodness inside initiative. This plant initiative that they have taken, where they are aiming to plant 1 million, that's 10 lakh trees by the year 2025. And guys, I really want you to all to just sit back and think that, isn't this a movement that we want to encourage? Imagine if we start encouraging this brand because of what they are doing. And of course, the products are also good, right? If we start encouraging this brand, more other beauty brands, more other brands out there will sit up and start taking notice. Maybe they will also start the same initiative, and it will make the world so much more better place. So all you're doing is placing an order on your phone or your laptop, but you are contributing so much to the environment. This is just something which I wanted to share today, because I think beauty should not all just be about making yourself beautiful. It should also be about, you know, making the planet beautiful, taking care of our animals, taking care of everything. So I would just suggest, guys, please go ahead, encourage this movement. If you have any friends, if you have tried any Mamaearth products before, tell your friends about it, so that they will be also encouraged to place orders themselves. Like off late, you know, whenever I have to buy gifts for my friends, you know, when I want to buy beauty products for them, I always buy from Mama Earth because I want to encourage them. I want them to plant more trees. So yes guys, that's all I want to share in today's video. If you have any questions or if you have any tips for acne to share yourself, please share your own tips, tricks, your own hacks and comments in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn the bell icon for notifications guys, and keep coming back to Super Style for more. Thank you so much for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye. Bye. Bye.